Referral programs are becoming an increasingly important acquisition channel for DeFi protocols. But launching a referral program is only half the job. The harder question is whether those referrals are bringing in users who trade, generate fees, and come back. In this video, we'll look at how DeFi teams can track referral programs from the first click all the way to on-chain conversion, and which metrics matter when measuring program performance. There are 5 things to keep in mind. First, a wallet connect is not the conversion event you should optimize for. The real signal should be a meaningful revenue-generating conversion, such as a trade, deposit, or swap that meets your defined threshold. Second, traditional cookie-based attribution breaks in DeFi because the user journey can move between browsers, devices, and wallets. Third, major DeFi referral programs such as GMX, dYdX, Hyperliquid, and Jupiter tie rewards to trading activity rather than signups. Fourth, cost per referred activation, or cpra, gives you a much more useful view of acquisition costs than simply counting referral code redemptions. And finally, the referral-to-organic retention ratio can tell you whether referrals are bringing genuine users or primarily incentive-driven traffic. The biggest attribution problem in DeFi is the gap between the browser and the wallet. Imagine someone clicks a referral link on their phone. Later, they open the protocol on their laptop and connect their wallet. A traditional cookie-based analytics setup may have no way to connect those two events. The referral click happened in one environment, while the wallet activity happened somewhere else. This is why referral attribution in DeFi needs to connect the referral code to the wallet itself. Protocols such as Hyperliquid and GMX resolve this directly through protocol-level on-chain attribution. There are also structural reasons why referral programs are becoming more attractive to DeFi growth teams. Paid acquisition is constrained by advertising policies and licensing requirements. KOL marketing can provide reach, but nearly 40% of influencer followers show signs of inauthenticity, so follower quality and attribution can be hard to verify. And airdrops can generate large numbers of wallets, but median day 90 retention across airdrop issuing protocols sits around 6%, so they don't necessarily produce durable users. Referral programs approach acquisition differently. The person making the referral has a direct incentive to bring in users who will use the protocol because their own reward depends on the referred user's activity. That creates a built-in quality signal. This is one of the main advantages of referrals. A referred wallet typically comes through an existing relationship. The referrer is not just distributing a link. They have an economic reason to bring in wallets that will trade, deposit, or generate fees. That means the referral itself can act as a form of pre-screening. The question for analytics teams is whether that expected quality shows up in the actual on-chain behavior. Let's look at 4 major DeFi referral programs. GMX, dYdX, Hyperliquid, and Jupiter use different structures, but they all provide useful examples of how referral attribution and incentives can work in practice. GMX runs a 3-tier referral program across Arbitrum and Avalanche. Referral codes are registered directly on the smart contract. The program uses fee discounts for referred traders and fee rebates for referrers. The tiers become more attractive as the referrer reaches higher levels of active users and trading volume. GMX has generated around $11 billion in referral-driven trading volume, representing approximately 14% of total protocol volume, with $1.6 million in rewards distributed over 9 months. The important measurement lesson here is that referral performance is connected to actual protocol activity beyond code usage alone. dYdX takes a volume-based approach. Affiliates receive a percentage of referred trader-taker fees. The base commission is 30%, increasing to 40% and then 50% as referred trading volume increases. There's also a requirement for the referrer to generate at least $10,000 in personal trading volume before unlocking an affiliate link. And there is a per-wallet earnings cap. The structure aligns the referrer's potential reward with the amount of trading activity they generate. Hyperliquid takes a more restrictive approach to referral creation. A wallet needs at least $10,000 in personal trading volume before it can generate a referral code. Each wallet can only use one code, and attribution is wallet locked at first use. Referred traders receive a 4% discount on their first $25 million of cumulative trading volume. Referrers receive 10% of referred trader-taker fees, up to the program's volume cap. This structure makes Sybil resistance part of the referral design itself. Jupiter takes a different approach. Instead of publishing one fixed referral structure, it provides an open source referral program through an SDK. Fee routing happens entirely on-chain. The integrating protocol can configure the referrer fee using the SDK. So the important point here is composability. Protocols can integrate referral fee routing without having to build an entirely separate attribution system from scratch. These 4 programs show that there isn't one universal referral model. GMX uses smart contract attribution with tiered rewards. dYdX uses an affiliate system with volume-scaled commissions. Hyperliquid uses wallet-locked attribution and volume-gated code creation. And Jupiter provides configurable on-chain referral infrastructure through an SDK. The right model depends on your protocol, your Sybil risk, your referrer base, and how much of the attribution logic can be handled on-chain. Now let's look at the measurement workflow. There are 5 steps from the first referral click to the on-chain conversion. First, capture the referral parameter from the URL. Second, persist that referral code across visits. Third, associate the referral code with the wallet address when the wallet connects. Fourth, define the actual conversion event. And fifth, segment and report on the resulting data. The key is maintaining that connection throughout the entire journey. Once the tracking is in place, you need the right KPIs. Referral activation rate tells you what percentage of referred wallets complete your defined activation event. cpra, or cost per referred activation, tells you how much you're paying for each activated referred wallet. Then there's 30-day retention, which tells you whether those activated wallets remain active. Referred wallet LTV helps quantify the value generated by those users. Referrer quality score lets you compare individual referrers. And finally, the referral-to-organic retention ratio compares the retention of referred wallets against users acquired organically. This last metric is particularly useful. A referral program can generate a lot of activity while still attracting users who only care about the incentive. Comparing referred user retention with organic user retention helps reveal that difference. If referred wallets retain at a lower rate than organic wallets, the program may be attracting incentive-driven traders. If retention is comparable or higher, referrals may be extending genuine word-of-mouth acquisition. So instead of asking only, how many wallets did our referral program acquire? You can ask a much more useful question. Are the users we're acquiring through referrals behaving like real protocol users? The next step is connecting acquisition cost to user value. The referral program ROI formula is referred wallet LTV minus cpra divided by cpra multiplied by 100. But the quality of this calculation depends on how you define cpra. Your program cost should include fee rebates, referrer commissions, and relevant operational overhead. And importantly, the denominator should be activated referred wallets, not referral code redemptions. A redemption tells you that someone used a code. An activation tells you that the referred wallet completed the behavior you defined as valuable. Those are very different signals. There are 4 common mistakes to avoid. First, measuring redemptions instead of activations. A redemption doesn't tell you whether the wallet traded, generated fees, or returned. Second, rewarding referrers before the referred wallet activates. If rewards trigger at wallet connect, referrers have an incentive to maximize connects rather than user quality. Third, using session-scoped attribution. This loses referrals when the click and wallet connection happen across different sessions or devices. And fourth, only looking at aggregate program performance. A program might have hundreds of referrers, while a small percentage generate most of the valuable users. Without referrer-level data, you can't see that concentration. There are 4 common approaches to referral analytics. General blockchain data platforms are useful for querying on-chain events, but they don't provide front-end click context. An in-house data warehouse can connect front-end and on-chain data, but requires significant engineering effort. Spreadsheets can work for very early programs, but quickly become difficult to maintain. And Web3 native analytics platforms can combine front-end tracking with wallet-level attribution in a single data model. The right choice depends on the complexity of your program and how much infrastructure your team wants to maintain. A complete referral analytics stack has 3 layers. Layer 1 is data capture. This includes the referral code, UTM parameters, wallet address, and session information. Layer 2 is wallet activity tracking. This is where you capture the first qualifying on-chain action, subsequent volume, deposits, and fee events. And layer 3 is reporting and segmentation. This is where all of that data becomes useful for decision making. You can compare refers, channels, activation rates, retention, volume, and revenue. The main takeaway is simple. A DeFi referral program is only as strong as its measurement layer. Start by connecting the referral code to the wallet address at connect. Then map that wallet to the first qualifying on-chain action. From there, track retention, volume, and value at the referrer level. Don't stop at wallet connects or code redemptions. Those metrics tell you that someone entered the funnel. What matters is whether that wallet became a valuable retained protocol user. And metrics like cpra and the referral-to-organic retention ratio help you answer that. Formo connects referral codes, wallet-level attribution, and on-chain conversion data in a single analytics view. If you're building or optimizing a referral program for a DeFi protocol, you can use Formo to connect the acquisition journey to what those wallets do on-chain. Learn more at formo.so/demo.